Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are seeing it Jammer. Well, we're seeing if Cool Girl's a scammer. Jammer, the probably a spare of Cool Girl because she said she traded a orange long. Exactly, put it on trade. Good point, Diamond Fox. These three people right here are the most included. Not Soda Pops right here. This is kind of scary. What do you guys think? It's a long one. Okay. Where is Cool? Is Cool? I'm gonna check Cool. I'm gonna trade my spike wrist. Let's see what she does. Bum 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 bum. I'm scared. Let's trade my red long wrist. Let's see what she does. EVAP. Bum 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 bum. Apple pen. She is here. Oh, she declined. Actually declined. Shoot. Messed up on something. At least she didn't. No one yet. The reason why I traded her to see if she was there. There is no way in accepting her trade. Sorry if I'm a little bit quiet. Sorry, that was my mom. She likes muffins and stuff. Let me do that. Okay, so good idea. Good idea. Like we should start trading spikes like Cool. I will trade you a fair trade for your red long. They probably don't care if I was on member. Oh. Jeez, people hate non-members, see? And cool. Should I not someone? Yes. Thank you, Cass. I don't know how to say your name, so I'm just gonna pull up your username. Thank you, this person. Shout out to you, because you're making good points here. Oops, messed up that part. I knew it. No! Okay, guys, be right back. Okay, we're back. Did she actually get the items, or are they just spares? Oh, okay. Really? It's already been in the news for like, what, 2 months? Almost 3, basically 3 months now. By the time the video is uploaded, yes, it would have been 3 months. But right now, it is February 28th, 2019. Alright, let's see. What? never recorded this. Let me delete this. I want this.